Hey guys, so I am like so upset. I just recorded a video of unboxing of this camera. You remember, I think in the last video I said about me getting another camera. Okay, getting another camera to take pictures for the photo shoot. The camera was a disappointment. This right here is going back. I literally got it yesterday and it's going back. I did a 2-day vlog of me talking about the photo shoot and all those things, and then I got the camera yesterday and I did an unboxing. I showed you guys the camera, everything that came with it, the quality of it, just to find out at the end my mic was not recording. So when I was about to edit, I couldn't hear anything until the last day when I was telling you guys that I'm sending it back because of the quality and things like that. That was the only part I could hear. So, waste of a video. So, I scrapped it. We're doing another video now. And I'm trying to change the time setting on my tablet for the office because I hate how it is. It has the 24-hour format, and I don't like that too much. Which I know how to tell time, y'all. I know what time it is with the 24-hour format, but I just don't like that. But yes. So right now, I got in. I think I said in the last video or the video that I had to trash that I was buying some more of these right here. And excuse how the back looked because I took a nap with my baby girl, and my 3-year-old made his way here in here and and was bothering stuff. So I'm literally having to go through and see if what all he touched. I know he messed with my markers for my dry erase board, and he messed up the black and the red one. He pushed them in. So, and I just purchased these off of Amazon. I purchased these with the spray and the eraser, and I think I spent like $9-10 for that. Okay, it's been a few days, and my birthday just left yesterday. No, yesterday was my birthday. So I didn't do anything. I hung with my kids. We went outside, did some cleaning, and we're supposed to be celebrating tomorrow at my dad's house. So whatever. But we have these that came in today, and they're basically the shoe storage boxes. If you ever saw these on Amazon, I mean, I know a lot of people get the little cubbies, which you guys saw in my office that they have the cubbies with the door. But I wanted something smaller that I could see through and that didn't take up a whole bunch of space because those cubbies take up a lot of space. They're like 12 by 12. Oh, it's over here. I have two over here that you can see the difference that they're bigger, way bigger, and they would take up a whole lot of space. So how it comes is you have the little flat pieces. Then you have the doors, which these normally are in plastic. These two packs came in plastic. And you normally have the bottom. So this must have been returned or something because these are normally wrapped up in plastic in sets of 3. I hope it's alright. Okay? Well, I'm going to be sending it back right along with that camera. But, and no, I'm not the type to just send everything back. But lately, listen, when it comes down to business items, no, I'm not keeping anything that is not beneficial to the business because I feel like my business is making money to purchase things, but it's not making money for me to just waste away. Because like sometimes I have to come out of my pocket to purchase stuff. So it's like, no, it has to go back into the business account because no, I'm not going to be just spending my money when I need a profit. So I'm making sure these weren't It looks like someone already had these before. I'm not even going. I'm just gonna try. So this is 6 of them right here. If it's not right, I'm taking it down and I'm sending them back. I'm thinking smarter this year, because before I would just keep stuff and be like, oh, I already purchased it, I'll just use it whenever, and never get around to using it and just be sitting there. Like, I'm really upset because I ordered a rolling cart that was kind of tall, and the last day to return it was yesterday. And I kept on postponing. I was like, okay, I'll go on Amazon and I'll create the return ticket. And I kept on procrastinating, and yesterday passed by and I totally forgot to return it. So I'm stuck with it, and it's like one of those complicated rolling carts to put together, almost like something that's supposed to be outside. It's hey, that's why I say no, I'm not playing this time. When stuff come in, I'm going to check it out, and if it's not right, I'm taking it down and I'm sending it back, because no. And I'm quite sure there are other business owners out there who know what I'm saying. These came in, how it is set up, these actually came in plastic, and I just feel like these were used, which is no problem if it was used. But if you're sending me something used, I shouldn't have paid full price for it at all, because these were in containers in plastic when I got them with these 2 sets. Now I'm just making sure everything is here, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me pull y'all down some. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I was doing a photo shoot. If y'all can see the hand, I was starting to do the photo shoot. I didn't bring out all the props because I was about to do the photo shoot with that camera, and no, it's not good quality. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So basically, how you put these together. This looked like it was used. Someone tried to put it together, y'all. How it was bent, how this is bent before, but I don't want to get ahead of myself, but I just think it was used, y'all. But let me show you. Yeah, this was definitely, someone already had this, because these were, when I got those ones that were in the plastic, it was very hard to bend these down. So I want to be contacting, look how easy that went down. This was used before. Amazon, y'all ain't right for this now. Y'all ain't right at all. Y'all charged me full price for these when it shouldn't have been. What am I doing? The top? No, I'm doing the bottom. Hold on. So you have to kind of make sure they're flat against the side in order for it to go in. And with the bottom, you kind of want to do the middle first. Do the middle, and that clicks in, and it makes it easier. Okay, and then when you're doing the top, let's get a top. With the top, start off on this side, like on the side. And you want to make sure that the little nodules right here matches up. So how the nodules are on here as well. That you're doing the bottom and bottom, like they're on the bottom. Because trying to unloose these and put them back is a hassle in itself as well. Trust me. I had to do 2 or 3 of them. Redo them, and it was no fun. So with the door part, you're going to start on this edge. I don't know if you guys can see. Start on the edge, put corner to corner, and then push down in the middle. But you want to make sure it's steady, y'all, because these things can come out real quick. There you go, and you begin to bring it round so it can clamp. Don't try to do too much because you don't want to break it. Just like that. I knew these was used. Someone had to have had these, because when I was doing these, pushing these little tabs down is hard. Was very hard for me to do. And right here is so easy. So easy. So someone had to, like, this one was a little bit hard, but someone had this and they sent it back. So Amazon, this video is coming to y'all. Pieces of this video is coming to y'all too, because why y'all send me something that was already used or someone already had and sold it to me for regular price? That's not right. Remember, the bottom clamps middle first. I hope I'm not doing too much in this mic, y'all. Well, clamp the side first. So hey, that's what's about to do. Make sure you're paying attention to the bottom nodules when you put the top on. You want to pay attention once again to where these little stack, because this is where you stack them at and they lock in. So you want the top to be lined up. All right. Come on. And the flatter you're able to get those tabs, the easier it will go into these pieces. So if it's still hanging out some, you're going to have like a little issue getting them in. So probably got to flatten it a little bit more to get it to click in. There you go. See, just pushing it in some more and it'll click in easier. All right, number 2 is done. Let me go finish the rest. I'll be back with you guys.